Morning students, in the previous video we have studied about the various types of rocks. So we have studied about igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks. Igneous rocks are of two type we have studied, and that first is intrusive, then it is extrusive rocks. Now afterwards we have studied about sedimentary rocks. We have studied that their other name is stratified rocks also, and we come to know that fossil fuels are found in sedimentary rocks. And then students, now we will take up the third type, that is metamorphic rocks. Rocks which originally are igneous or sedimentary in nature. Basically, they are igneous or sedimentary, but they get changed. Their character, their shape, their structure, their characteristics, their appearance gets changed due to heat and pressure. So whatever change they have, that means नई शेप बन गई उनकी. So these rocks are known as metamorphic rocks. Originally they are igneous or sedimentary, but because of heat and pressure their appearance changes and they are known as metamorphic rocks. For instance, granite is igneous but changes into metamorphic as gneisses. The limestone is a sedimentary rock but changes into metamorphic as marble. Similarly, shell may be transformed by great pressure into slate. So basically they are igneous or sedimentary, but they are changed afterwards. So students, now we have the rock cycle. So you can say rock cycle. We will start from here. Volcanic eruption, इससे क्या बना, इग्नियस रॉक बना. इग्नियस रॉक को ब्रेक हुआ, देन इट बिकेम सेडिमेंट्स. सेडिमेंट्स आगे जाके सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स, देखो लेयर्स 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 बन गई, सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स. अब सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स की शेप में चेंज हुआ, अपीयरेंस में चेंज हुआ प्रेशर के कारण, दे बिकेम मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स. अब मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स फिर से ये क्या हो गई, पिघल गई हीट के कारण, इट बिकेम मैग्मा. मैग्मा से फिर से वोल्केनिक इरप्शन, और ये दैट इज़ अ रॉक साइकिल. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, मिनरल्स. As stated earlier, a rock has single or a combination of several minerals in addition to mass of earth material. रॉक कैसी हो सकती है, मतलब एक सिंगल मिनरल से भी बन सकती है या बहुत सारे मिनरल से मिलके भी बन सकती है. These minerals are present in small or large quantity at any given site of the earth. कहीं पे भी मिल जाते हैं हमें मिनरल्स हमारी अर्थ में. The most common minerals occurring इनसाइड द अर्थ आर आयरन, सिल्वर, गोल्ड, माइका और मीका, वट एवर. ये दो तरह से प्रोनाउंस हो जाता है, मीका और माइका. बॉक्साइट एंड लेड. सो स्टूडेंट्स, कॉमनली जो हमें मिनरल्स मिलते हैं वो ये हैं. ओके, द कॉमन सॉल्ट दैट वी यूज़ इन आवर फूड इज़ ऑल्सो मिनरल. आप कभी उसका बिल्कुल सबसे छोटा पार्टिकल देखना, वो भी बिल्कुल मिनरल है. Of all the minerals known to us, diamond is the hardest substance. डायमंड क्या है, सबसे हार्डेस्ट है मिनरल्स में. Whereas graphite, black and greasy in nature, is the softest. हार्डेस्ट है डायमंड और सॉफ्टेस्ट है ग्रेफाइट. ग्रेनाइट ना लिख देना, ग्रेफाइट. Minerals are identified on the basis of their color, hardness and luster. Luster means जो shine उनमें होती है. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, दीज आर द कीवर्ड्स. मिनरल्स के बारे में तो हम आगे के चैप्टर्स में या अगली क्लास में डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. सो दिस इज़ योर चैप्टर. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर. बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी टर्म्स हैं, दे आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू, एंड दीज आर द कीवर्ड्स. ये आप पढ़ लेना. नाउ वी विल टेक अप द एक्सरसाइज ऑफ द चैप्टर. समथिंग टू नो. Take the correct option. Living organisms do not survive inside the earth due to high temperature. They are not able to survive due to high temperature. Earthquakes and volcanoes are caused by, they are caused by internal disturbance. Respective layers of the earth from top to bottom are, top to bottom, सबसे पहले आएगा crust, then mantle, then core. So this one, B is the correct option. Then the full form of SEMA is, that is silica and magnesium. Silica and magnesium, not magnetite, not magma, not mica. Silica and magnesium. The original rock from which gneiss is formed is, that is granite. The original rock is granite. Now we have fill in the blanks. Earth was formed about dash million years ago, that is 4.6 million years ago. The behavior of dash waves tell us about the Earth's interior. The behavior of seismic waves. Seismic. The dash of crust varies from place to place. The thickness of crust. Rocks are classified into three groups on the basis of their formation. On the basis of their formation. The dash of the earth is rich in iron and nickel. The core. The answer is the core. Then give a single term for each of the following statements. It is the hardest substance. Hardest substance, now only we have studied, that is diamond. The molten rock material present inside the earth, that is magma. Rocks, which are formed due to cooling and solidification of magma inside the earth. Inside the earth, they are intrusive igneous rocks. Intrusive igneous rocks. Shaking and trembling of the earth's surface, that is earthquake. A naturally occurring solid substance made up of a mixture of minerals, that is rock. The answer is rock. So students, up to here our chapter is completed. These will be uploaded. And students, what you are supposed to do your book work in time. Otherwise, when the schools will open, you will be overburdened. And even your homework, do it in time. Daily we are not uploading any homework for you, because not only writing that homework in your notebook is not only the important thing कि हमने अपलोड किया, आपने वहाँ से कॉपी करके लिख लिया. दैट इज़ नॉट द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. दैट्स वाई वी आर नॉट अपलोडिंग योर वर्क डेली. वीडियोज आर बीइंग अपलोडेड डेली सो दैट यू कैन लर्न द चैप्टर एंड अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम द चैप्टर एंड ट्राई टू डू द वर्क. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द चैप्टर. अदरवाइज आपका मोटिव पता है क्या रहता है कि चैप्टर जैसे जैसे टीचर पढ़ा रही है फटाफट से पढ़ाया, वीडियो सुनी नहीं सुनी, चलो जी लास्ट में क्वेश्चन आंसर कर लेते हैं. बट दैट इज़ नॉट अवर मोटिव. अवर मोटिव इज़ कि आपको चैप्टर अच्छे से समझ आए. यू मस्ट हैव टाइम टू अंडरस्टैंड द चैप्टर. मेन मोटिव इज़ नॉट writing the question answers only. So students, revise the chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.